Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beetroot pickle at home. First, select fresh, firm beetroots about 1 kilogram for the best flavor and texture. You'll need white vinegar, granulated sugar, and pickling salt. Also, prepare your favorite pickling spices such as mustard seeds, peppercorns, and bay leaves. Sterilizing your jars and lids is a crucial first step to prevent spoilage and ensure a long shelf life for your delicious pickle. Once your beetroots are clean, trim off the leafy tops and root ends. Boil them in water until they are tender enough to pierce with a fork, typically taking 20 to 30 minutes depending on their size. After boiling, cool the beets slightly under running water. This makes peeling the skin incredibly easy. Finally, slice the peeled beetroots into uniform pieces, about 1/4 inch thick, ready for pickling. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Making beetroot pickle can sometimes be a little messy, but keeping your kitchen spotless is easy with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and perfect for pet owners, ensuring your floors are always clean. You can find the link to this amazing vacuum and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's make the pickling brine. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of white vinegar, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 tablespoon of pickling salt. Add your chosen spices, like 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and a few bay leaves. Bring this mixture to a boil, stirring until the sugar and salt completely dissolve. Carefully pack your sliced beetroots into the sterilized jars, then pour the hot brine over them, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. Seal the jars tightly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.